Today, the Honda Fit is going to get a major transformation in the terms of looks, and I am so excited for how it's about to look. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, we're doing a lot to the Fit, and it's gonna be an expensive day, but it's gonna be an exciting day because of that. Now, I would love to do before and after shots, but I might have to steal some video clips from another video because it is completely pouring right now, even though it's super sunny. It's wild. Our first stop today is going to be at this shop in Bradenton, and you know, if I'm going to a shop, I'm doing something different and not myself. There's only a few things that I let shops do to these cars. Step one of the overhaul process is done. I'm no longer sitting in a fishbowl, which makes me so happy. I don't even need sunglasses in the car right now. This feels good. So now we have step two of the process of today's transformation. And again, I'm super excited for how it's gonna look. Now the next thing we're gonna do, I know I'm gonna get some hate on it, but I've seen it online a million times and I love it. We're gonna be switching out the OEM badges for SI badges because it adds some contrast and it looks freaking dope. The OEM badge is just kind of boring and I want a little bit of color against the blue, and I don't know, I think it's gonna look really cool. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever debadged anything, but generally the best tool to use is a heat gun and some fishing line because you can get really in there, you can kind of saw away at the glue. Especially being a car that's from 2008, it's gonna be a little bit tougher to get the stuff off, probably. It's kind of baked on there. But with the Honda Fit here, you can't really do that trick because there's an indentation where the actual emblem sits. So we're gonna be using a plastic scraper tool, and hopefully this helps and we can actually get it out without scratching anything. So this isn't lining up exactly how I thought it was going to. I thought this was just gonna kind of go into this indent, and that's not the case. This is a little bit bigger than the actual hole that's on here. So we got some double-sided tape. We're just gonna kind of make some bridges inside of the indent, and that way we can line this up as close as possible to make this work. Now, because I'm a realist, I will show you guys the flaws by doing it this way. It looks good if you're looking at it, but if you're looking for problems, you're gonna find the problems. So as you guys can see right here, there's a bit of a gap on the bottom, but this tape should be strong enough to hold it, so I'm not really concerned about it. If you're standing far away, it still looks pretty good, so that's what matters. Now I'm assuming the front one is just gonna come off the same as the back one. So let's just start getting pry-y and peel this thing off. Front fitment is definitely much worse, and it kind of sticks out like a sore thumb now because it's bigger than that indent. Still kind of like it though because it adds what I was looking for, and it's a brand new shiny emblem, so what can go wrong? And we actually have one more piece to match for the interior. Definitely appreciate the Jay's Racing one too because it feels cool because it's actually in Japanese and stuff. Now, of course, this one has to be difficult because the other ones, the emblems are too big, and on this one, the emblem's a little bit too small. So I'm gonna try to take out this emblem, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to. But before you guys ask, I've actually been using a guitar pick to start everything, to get everything like loose before I use the big prying thing out. So when I was ripping off that emblem, I realized that there's gonna be holes and stuff and it probably wasn't gonna look that good, so I just left it on there. I'm probably gonna get a new steering wheel eventually because I do want to have a quick release in this car because hot boy. So all the emblems are on, the car is all tinted out. I think it's time for a decent quality edit for you guys. But before we do the edit, if you guys could please do me a favor. Like 93% of you guys aren't subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button. Please watch all my videos. We need to get that watch time up. Since the last upload, we had a pretty big jump in watch time, and I really appreciate that because we're getting closer to monetization now. So guys, watch the videos and subscribe, please. Let's get ready. Yeah, it's so hot, I can't even talk. Watch the videos and subscribe, please. Let's get ready for this edit. I'm really wondering if there's gators in this water. Between the tint and the new badges, I think it makes the fit just pop a lot more, and it makes it look a little bit more enjoyable to look at. Yeah, we still have the dents and stuff, and I'm not sure if I need new doors or if I can get those pulled or something. The fit here is still a pretty ugly car, and we still have a long ways to go before this thing is considered a freaking build. The only thing we have done to this thing is exhaust, tint, and badges, so it's not really a build at all yet. But we're gonna do some pretty cool stuff to this car. Nothing engine related, but aesthetically, I wanna make this fit dope. So for you people that care about tint stuff, the back half of the car is all 5%, the front is 15%, and then there's the 5% strip up top, and it is all 3M obsidian tint for the people who care about that. Living in Florida, I've been sitting in my car for 10 minutes and I was dripping sweat just putting the badges on. It gets pretty hot here. The inside of your car absolutely bakes, and half the time I can't even touch my shift knob because it is steamy. It's just so hot you can't touch it. So the tint will definitely bring down the temperatures a lot more. It's not a ceramic tint, but it still aids with cooling. Now I know a lot of people are just gonna say all you did today was up badge your car and tint it, and it's not really a mod or a build. You guys can stop. I think tint looks beautiful. I think it's the ultimate first mod that anyone should do to their cars, and I waited a little bit on this car because I did, but I think it looks gorgeous now, and the fit is less ugly now. So let me know what you guys think of the fit's new look here. I think the new look fits the fit pretty well. I don't know, something about tint just makes the car look good. The red badges just makes everything pop a little bit more. It makes the car look a little bit more interesting. I'm not up badging it to make it look like an SI. I just like the look of the red badges. So haters, stop hating, please. But I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so this video is probably super duper short again. But short content is good content sometimes, right? Again, guys, please make sure you're subscribing, watching all my videos, going in my playlist, watching those, fall asleep to my videos for all I care, as long as we get that watch time up. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so if you guys can do me a few things, comment, like, subscribe, keep doing all that fun stuff, keep doing you, and stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, and peace.